Alright folks, got my two snow blowers here, getting ready to go. Can of kerosene and some gas, because I'm in Connecticut and as of 9 o'clock tonight there's a no travel ban. So state of Connecticut, you can't go anywhere. You have to be somewhere safe and locked down for the night until I believe tomorrow, I think 1. Because they're saying around noon is when this storm is supposed to end. So I am pretty much set there. I got provisions in the fridge. And this is what we've got so far. Nothing much, about a ½ inch. I'm going to do a video later to show you what is actually happening here, but not much of anything great so far, just a flurry. You can see about a ½ inch there. So, I'll get back to you later. Bye.